Me llamo Efraim Varon, el hijo de Jacob Varon, una de los ladineros. Y también el hijo de mi madre, Sultana Sally Varon, alea shalom. It's wonderful to be here once again and to see so many people like we had last year, and it looks like even a few more. I'm very happy to have the honor and privilege to sing this Ladino song, Adio Kerida. And what attracts me so much to the Ladino music is, even though I didn't understand every single Ladino word that I sang or sing, is the music is so close and so compatible with what the music in the synagogue is, that there's a natural migration for me, and I think for many, to just embrace this music even if you don't understand all the words. And the music also lends itself so compatibly and is often integrated into the service, which is something that I love to do quite often. My accompanist, Myrna Cordova, please, you'll start and I will follow you. Odei Adonai bechol levav besod yesharim ve'edah. Tu madre cuando te parió y te quitó al mundo, corazón ella no te dio para amar segundo, corazón ella no te dio para amar segundo. Adio, adio, querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Adio, adio, querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Va, búscate otro amor, va otras puertas, espera otro ardor, que para mí sos muertas. Ardor, que para mí sos muertas. Adio, adio, querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Adio, adio, querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Adio, adio, querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargat ese tú. Thank you, and thank you, Myrna.